Once upon a time, in a quiet town, there was a street known for its tranquility. This street, lined with charming houses and towering trees, was a peaceful haven amidst the hustle and bustle of the town. It was a place where neighbors knew each other, and the sound of laughter and friendly conversations filled the air. On a cloudy afternoon, dark clouds gathered overhead, and a gentle drizzle began to fall. The raindrops danced on the rooftops, creating a soothing melody that echoed through the quiet street. The residents, accustomed to the peacefulness of their surroundings, embraced the rain with open arms. As the rain intensified, the street transformed into a glistening oasis. The raindrops cascaded down the leaves of the trees, creating a symphony of sound. The cars parked along the street became adorned with shimmering droplets, reflecting the soft glow of the streetlights. The residents, undeterred by the rain, ventured out with umbrellas in hand. They strolled along the wet pavement, their footsteps creating a rhythmic beat that harmonized with the falling rain. The sound of car tires splashing through puddles added a playful note to the symphony of the street. Children, their laughter echoing through the rain-soaked air, took delight in jumping in puddles and watching the water splash around them. Their colorful raincoats and boots added a vibrant touch to the otherwise gray day. The adults, too, found joy in the rain, relishing the opportunity to slow down and appreciate the beauty of nature. As the rain continued to pour, the street became a canvas of reflections. The headlights of passing cars cast shimmering trails on the wet road, creating a mesmerizing display of light and movement. The raindrops, like tiny diamonds, adorned the windows of the houses, casting a magical glow from within. The residents sought shelter in cozy cafes and shops that lined the street. They gathered around tables, sipping warm beverages and engaging in lively conversations. The rain outside seemed to enhance the sense of community, bringing people closer together as they shared stories and laughter. As the evening approached, the rain began to taper off, leaving behind a sense of calm and renewal. The street, now bathed in the soft glow of streetlights, exuded a serene ambience. The residents, their spirits uplifted by the rain's embrace, slowly made their way back to their homes. The sound of car engines starting and tires rolling on the wet pavement filled the air as the residents bid farewell to the rain-soaked street. The rain had brought a sense of unity and tranquility to the community, reminding them of the beauty that can be found in the simplest of moments. And so, the quiet street with its charming houses and cars continued to hold its allure, forever carrying the memories of that rainy day. The residents cherished the rain as a reminder of the power of nature and the strength of their community. They knew that no matter the weather, their quiet street would always be a place of warmth, laughter, and connection. Once upon a time, in a quiet street nestled in a small town, the rain began to fall. The sound of raindrops hitting the ground created a soothing rhythm that echoed through the air. The street, usually bustling with activity, became calm and peaceful as the raindrops painted a serene picture. As the rain continued to pour, the gentle pitter-patter of the raindrops filled the air, creating a sense of tranquility. The houses along the street stood tall, their roofs providing shelter from the rain. The residents peered out from their windows, watching as the raindrops danced on the pavement. The trees lining the street danced gracefully in the rain, their leaves glistening with droplets. The rhythmic patter of the rain on the leaves created a symphony of nature, a melody that only the rain could compose. The branches swayed in harmony, as if they were conducting their own orchestra. The lampposts that lined the street flickered softly, casting a warm glow on the rain-kissed pavement. The light reflected off the wet surfaces, creating a shimmering effect that added to the enchantment of the scene. Each droplet seemed to hold a tiny universe within it, reflecting the world around it in miniature. As the rain continued to fall, the street transformed into a calm oasis. The gentle roar of the rain enveloped everything, creating a cocoon of tranquility. The residents, usually busy with their daily lives, took a moment to pause and appreciate the beauty of the rain. Some opened their windows to let the fresh scent of petrichor fill their homes, while others ventured out with umbrellas, enjoying the peacefulness of the street. The raindrops, each a tiny messenger from the sky, whispered secrets to the cobblestones below. They shared stories of distant lands, of far-off adventures, and of dreams yet to be realized. The street, usually filled with the sounds of footsteps and chatter, listened intently to the tales the raindrops had to tell. As the rain gradually subsided, leaving behind a glistening street, the world seemed to awaken from its temporary slumber. The residents emerged from their homes, rejuvenated by the rain's embrace. The street, now refreshed and renewed, returned to its lively self, ready to embrace the day ahead. And so, the rain had transformed the quiet street into a magical place, if only for a little while. It had brought a sense of peace, reflection, and connection to the residents, reminding them of the beauty that can be found in the simplest of moments.